Uwe Samla ubakerteng Winifred Majau na lao Khubor Shillong. Ula dua no ialah ka jingim hadian ba ulang Ngam Jyllop ha Pung Umiam hajan jingking kalong ha Sngi palai. Katkum ka jingïathuh jingki pulit, uteu Samla ula Leit kai ringkat berki Paralok jong u bat ulang Ngam Jyllop kat ba udang jingi ha Khubor kumba shpo arpo menstam. Hadian balayo jingtip ha Khubor khat arsteng Sngi, ki pulit kamaulai police station bat kekenhuan jong ka fire and emergency services, kilahir marmar syakatei ke jaka ban penang ke jingwat bat lap yakamet, dar special rescue team. Yakamet jong u la IT no syaki bahayeng hadian ba ka jingtok kit jingki pulit, kim shim la lap yakanu kadak jong ka jingle beman hakani ke Jaintia.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.